How to improve digestion and absorption of food. Have you ever asked yourself this big question? Why do some people eat anything and feel just fine, while others feel bloated, tired, or even sick after meals? If you've ever felt like your food just sits in your stomach, or like your energy disappears after eating, you're not alone. Many people today struggle with poor digestion and weak absorption of nutrients. That means your body doesn't break food down properly or take in the nutrients your cells need to work well. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, gas, bloating, tiredness, low mood, and even skin problems. We reached out to Dr. Donald Paul, a trusted medical doctor with 29 years of experience helping people improve their digestion, gut health, and energy levels, all without expensive drugs or complicated diets. According to Dr. Paul, you don't need to suffer in silence. Your body wants to feel good, but you have to give it the right support. Digestion is like a team effort between your brain, your mouth, your stomach, and your gut. If one part is weak, the whole system slows down. In this video, Dr. Paul shares simple, powerful ways to improve digestion, boost food absorption, and help your gut health, using easy tips that even a primary school child can understand. Let's break it down step by step. Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment yes. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make another better video for you this week. Now, let's get started. What is digestion and absorption? Simple explanation for everyone. To begin, let's understand two big words: digestion and absorption. A digestion is how your body breaks down the food you eat into smaller pieces. It starts in your mouth when you chew and continues in your stomach and intestines. Absorption is when your body takes those small pieces, nutrients, and moves them into your blood. Your blood then carries them to every part of your body: your brain, heart, muscles, and even your skin. Without digestion, food would just sit in your stomach and rot. Without absorption, your body wouldn't get the vitamins, protein, fat, or carbs it needs to stay alive and healthy. So when people say, "I eat but I'm still tired. I take vitamins but they don't help. I eat healthy but I feel bloated and weak," they may be digesting food poorly or not absorbing nutrients well. Dr. Donald Paul says, think of digestion like cooking food and absorption like serving it. If your kitchen is broken, your food won't be ready. If your plates are dirty, you won't enjoy the meal. Your body needs both systems working well. Common signs that your digestion or absorption is weak include a bloating after meals, a feeling sleepy or heavy after eating, a constipation or diarrhea, a gas or burping, a undigested food in stool, a weak appetite or always hungry, a low energy or brain fog. But don't worry, the good news is, you can fix this. You just need to learn how to improve digestion naturally and how to make your digestive system work smoothly again. Why many people struggle with poor digestion today. Poor digestion has become very common, not just in older people, but in young people and even children. Dr. Donald Paul explains that many of the digestive problems we see today come from the way we live and eat. Let's look at some of the most common reasons why digestion is weak in many people today, even if they eat healthy foods. 1. Eating too fast. Many people today eat in a rush, at school, at work, in traffic, or in front of the TV. But did you know digestion starts in your mouth? When you chew food properly, your saliva mixes with it and begins to break it down. But when you swallow large chunks, your stomach has to work harder, and that leads to bloating, gas, and slow digestion. Tip from Dr. Donald Paul: chew each bite at least 20 to 30 times before swallowing. Let your stomach receive a gift, not a fight. 2. Eating too much junk food. Processed foods like chips, soda, fried snacks, and sweets may taste good, but they are hard for your stomach to handle. They are often low in fiber and full of artificial chemicals that slow digestion and hurt your gut bacteria. Plus, they give your body almost no real nutrition, which means even if you're full, your body may still feel tired or crave more food. 3. Not drinking enough water. Water is key to a healthy digestive system. It helps move food through your stomach and intestines, prevents constipation, and supports nutrient absorption. Many people don't drink enough water or drink it only when they're thirsty. That's too late. Tip: drink a glass of warm water in the morning and sip water throughout the day, not just during meals. 4. Lack of fiber and movement. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. It acts like a broom in your gut, sweeping waste out and helping food move easily. Without fiber, digestion slows down and food can sit in your belly too long. Also, sitting all day, in school, in front of the TV, or at work, slows down digestion. Your body needs movement, even light walking, to help your digestive muscles push food forward. Tag used: how to improve digestive system, improve digestion naturally. 5. Stress and poor sleep. Your mind and stomach are connected. When you're worried, sad, or not sleeping well, your brain tells your gut to slow down. This can lead to acid reflux, a stomach cramps, a slow digestion, a loss of appetite. Getting enough rest and managing stress is just as important as what you eat. Dr. Donald Paul says, digestion doesn't start in the stomach, it starts in the brain. A calm mind leads to a calm gut. Many people today struggle with digestion not because of serious disease, but because of daily habits. The good news: you can improve these habits, one step at a time, and start feeling better quickly. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. Dr. Donald Paul's 5 Golden Rules to Improve Digestion Naturally. According to Dr. Donald Paul, most people don't need pills or expensive supplements to improve digestion. What they need is to go back to natural, simple habits that help the stomach and gut do their job well. Here are his 5 golden rules, easy tips that can change your digestion from sluggish to strong in just a few weeks. Rule 1. Chew your food slowly and properly. Digestion begins in the mouth, not the stomach. When you chew food well, your teeth break it down, and your saliva starts digesting it before it even reaches your stomach. If you rush through meals and swallow big chunks, your stomach has to work twice as hard. That causes bloating, slow digestion, and poor nutrient absorption. Dr. Donald Paul's advice: each bite should be chewed at least 20 to 30 times. The softer the food before it enters the stomach, the easier it is to digest and absorb. This habit alone can help improve food absorption, reduce bloating and gas, help your brain feel full so you don't overeat. Tags used: how to improve digestion naturally. Digestion: improve digestion naturally. Rule 2. Drink warm water before meals. Cold water during meals can harden fats and slow digestion. But drinking a glass of warm water 15 to 20 minutes before eating helps. Prepare the stomach for food. Wake up digestive enzymes. Soothe the gut lining. Think of warm water as a gentle wake-up call to your stomach. Tip: avoid drinking too much water during meals, as it may dilute stomach acid and slow digestion. Sip small amounts instead. Rule 3. Eat on a regular schedule. Your digestive system loves a routine. When you eat at the same times each day, your brain and gut prepare in advance by releasing digestive enzymes and stomach acid. That means better digestion and smoother bowel movements. But when you skip meals or eat at random times, your body gets confused. This can cause gas, slow digestion, or even acid reflux. Dr. Paul says, think of your digestion like a train system. If the train arrives late, the whole track is delayed. Rule 4. Don't overeat. Eat until you're 80% full. When you overfill your stomach, it stretches, struggles, and slows down. This leads to a stomach discomfort, indigestion, a poor food absorption. Instead, stop eating when you feel about 80% full. Give your body time to signal, I'm full. Eating smaller, balanced meals also helps with protein digestion and absorption, as your body can only handle so much at once. Rule 5. Move a little after meals. A 10-minute walk after meals does wonders for digestion. A helps food move through the gut. A reduces bloating. Improves blood sugar levels. A keeps your belly flat. You don't need to run or do heavy workouts. Just walk, stretch, or do light yoga like the wind-relieving pose. Dr. Paul's advice. Sitting or sleeping right after eating is like putting food in a closed box. It sits, ferments, and causes trouble. Let it move. In summary, these 5 simple golden rules can help you improve your digestive system naturally, without medicine or expensive treatments. All you need is better habits and consistency. Up next, we'll explore the best foods for gut health and digestion that you should start adding to your meals today. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. The best foods to improve digestion and gut health. Food is not just fuel, it's also medicine for your digestive system. The right foods can help your stomach and intestines work better, feed the good bacteria in your gut, and help you absorb nutrients from everything you eat. According to Dr. Donald Paul, one of the easiest ways to fix digestion problems is by eating more of the foods that naturally support your gut health. Here are the top foods that can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and make your belly feel light and healthy. 1. Papaya and pineapple, nature's digestive enzymes. Both of these tropical fruits contain special enzymes that help break down protein. Papaya has an enzyme called papain. Pineapple has bromelain. These enzymes are especially useful if you eat a lot of meat, eggs, or dairy. They help your stomach digest protein faster, which reduces gas, heaviness, and bloating. Dr. Paul's tip: eat a few pieces of ripe papaya or pineapple 15 to 20 minutes after a heavy meal. 2. Yogurt and other fermented foods. Feed your gut bacteria. Your gut is home to trillions of good bacteria. These friendly microbes help break down food, absorb vitamins and minerals, fight off bad bacteria. But things like junk food, antibiotics, and stress can kill these good bacteria. That's why you need to eat foods that replace and feed them. Good choices: a yogurt with live cultures, kefir, a sauerkraut, kimchi, a plain kombucha. Choose unsweetened options to avoid extra sugar that feeds bad bacteria. 3. Whole grains and vegetables. The power of fiber. Fiber is like a sweeper for your stomach and intestines. It helps move food along, clears out waste, and prevents constipation. The best sources of fiber: oats, a brown rice, a beans, a lentils, carrots, cabbage, a broccoli. These foods also feed the good bacteria in your gut, acting like fertilizer for your inner garden. Dr. Paul says, if your plate is full of white bread, white rice, and sugar, your gut is starving. Add color and crunch with plants. 4. Ginger and fennel, natural stomach soothers. Both of these spices have been used for hundreds of years to treat stomach troubles. They help relax stomach muscles, reduce gas, stimulate the flow of digestive juices. Ginger tea after meals is especially helpful if you suffer from nausea, bloating, or indigestion. Fennel seeds can be chewed after meals to freshen the breath and improve digestion. 5. Water and herbal teas, the gentle pushers. Water is your gut's best friend. It keeps everything flowing and softens stool. But warm liquids like peppermint tea, cumin tea, or chamomile tea are even better after meals. They soothe the stomach, reduce acid, and help food move through your digestive tract gently. Dr. Paul's tip: start your day with a glass of warm water and sip herbal tea after dinner. By adding more of these foods to your diet and cutting back on greasy, fried, and processed items, you'll begin to see real changes: lighter digestion, less bloating, and more energy. Next, we'll cover how to improve protein digestion and food absorption, especially important for those who eat meat, eggs, or take supplements. Conclusion: start small, digest better, feel stronger. Improving your digestion and absorption doesn't require pills, fancy equipment, or complicated diets. It simply requires understanding how your body works and helping it do what it already wants to do: digest food, absorb nutrients, and keep you healthy. Dr. Donald Paul, with his 29 years of medical experience, reminds us that digestion starts with the basics. Chew slowly. Eat real foods. Drink warm water. Move after meals. Listen to your body. By following the simple tips in this guide, from choosing the best foods for gut health and digestion, to improving your protein digestion and absorption, to avoiding common mistakes, you can feel lighter, stronger, and more energized every day. Remember, your stomach isn't a trash can. It's a living machine that needs care, balance, and support. Whether you're dealing with bloating, poor appetite, low energy, or just want to improve your digestion naturally, the answers are in your hands. Start today. Eat smarter. Move more. Breathe deeper. And give your gut the love it deserves. Because when your digestion improves, everything improves, from your skin and sleep to your mood and mind. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips to help you stay strong and savvy. Expect our next video this week. Take care of yourself. You're created to live long, stay healthy, and enjoy life. Thanks for watching.